Hello everyone, I am Ruman Ahmed Pradhan and welcome to Travel Mama. So what is Travel Mama? Travel Mama is a travel related website run by a travel lovers, and if you are a travel lovers and if you want to know about a particular location, if you want to know about a particular package of a location or guide, then you are in the right place because we are also travel lovers like you, and our whole website is run by a travel lover community. So after you come to our website Travel Mama, you can see this is our homepage. So here you would see our navbar, and here you would see our top latest post here. Like here you can see a couple of posts and you can just slide between those posts or it would automatically slide. So if you like any post, just click on here and you would be redirected to that specific post. And here you would find like our footer here. You can see our important site links and our contact information here. So after coming to our website, let's for example you want to read about a particular post or you want to see our whole post. So just click on post and then just here select post, and then here you will find all the available posts by our users and our admins. So here you can see like here would be the post title, post location, post category, and who posted this post. And if you just click on details, you can see the complete details, but you need to sign in to show the complete details, to watch the complete details. So for example, I want to search for like for example you want to search for subject but you can't see it here for example. So then just here search for subject and then just click on search, and then you can see the post about subject. So the post can be in Bangla or any other language, it doesn't matter, but our searching algorithm works. Okay, so here you can see, and for example I want to know about Dhaka, so just search for Dhaka and hit enter, and then you can find our post about Dhaka. And then if you don't want to see all of our posts, if you want to search by category, then here just click on post category, and here you will find our post category like travel blog, travel guide, and travel package. If you want to know about travel blog related post, just click on travel blog here, and here you will find our travel blog related post. And if you want travel guide related post, then just click on travel guide related post and you can find our travel guide related post here. And if you want to know about travel package, you know what to do, just click on here and you can find it here. So here for example you like this post, just click on details, but you can't watch the complete details here, you need to sign up first. So let's, for example, let me sign up with a demo account to show you, to demonstrate you how it works. Here just go to our sign up page and then put your username here. Like for example, if our username is Abdullah, so then you need to just here put your password. So the password here, password criteria is similar to other website, and then just click on create. And if you already have an account, you can just click on sign in. So we don't have an account, so let's create. Okay, just click on create. So after creating, you would get a message like this: account created successfully. Then just click on sign in, and then just put your username and put your password, and then click on sign in. And if you still don't have an account, just click on don't have an account, sign up. Okay, so we have created an account, so just click on sign in. So after creating an account, you can update your profile. Like for example, just let me show you. Just click on update profile, and here we want to complete the profile of Abdullah. So if his name is Abdullah Rahman, so just let me show you, and then he can put his email here, and he can select his gender here, and then here you can upload your profile picture. Like click on visitor picture, and then just choose a photo of your liking. Like for example this is his photo, and then click on submit. So as you can see, this is the profile of Abdullah. So if he wants, he can here click on show profile and he can watch his profile. And if he want to update something, for example like he changed his Gmail, so like for example this is now his new Gmail. So he can obviously do that, and if he want he can also change his images as well. So then click on submit, and then you can see this is now his new Gmail and this is his new profile. Okay, so that's how you can update your profile. And here you can see a my post section, so it would be empty for now because our user don't have any post yet. So at first just let me show you that here, if you like, for example, like read this post about Chandranath Pahar, and then just click on details if you want to read it, and then here you can see all the details about Chandranath Pahar. And if you want to leave a comment here, just come to here and then give it a rating. Like if Abdullah liked this post very much, he can rate it from 1 to 5. So he rated like 5, and then like he commented very nice post, and then just click on submit. So now here you can see that here is the comment of our Abdullah, rating 5, and comment is very nice post. So that's how you can comment on our blog. And now let me show you that how you can insert a new post in our blog or in our travel map. Just click on post here and then click on insert post. So in insert post, here you can see you need to fill this information first, like post title, post location, post category, post tag, and post image, and post description finally. So I have here a demo post for you to show you, demonstrate you how it works. Like for example, this is our post title, and then here, like this is our post location, like Khagrachari is our post location. You can post it in English or Bangla, which is comfortable for you. So then, like for example, here you need to select post category. So choose your appropriate post category. In our case it is like travel package related post, and I would come to tag later. Just let me show you. So here, as you can see, this is our post description. So just copy your post description here or write your post description here, and then here you need to select your post image. So here, like let's for example we have chosen this image, and then you need to here put tag. So the tag is what your users will search for in the search bar, and they would get your content. So here you don't need to add what is already included in post title or post description. Here you can just add it, like for example users usually search in English word. So here add some English word, like for example we have added some simple tags here. Just let me show you. Like if a user type for Khagrachari in English, then they would find your post by here when you put Khagrachari in the tag. So here are other also locations. You can add as many tags as you wish, and then here just click on submit. So then you would get a message like post submitted successfully. So after submitting your post, just head over to post section here, and you can see your post with all the other posts and all the other users can post view your post, and they can also comment on your post if they like it or if they don't like it. So here, as you can see, this is your post. Amazing, right? So then if you just head over to my post here, and then here you can see your post here, all the available posts that is written by you will be available in my post. And then finally just come to our about us. So this is our amazing team. So we have been traveling the Bangladesh. We have built reputation in the travel industry. So here I am Uman Ahmed Pradhan, the Django developer, Mohammad Din Mujib, the web designer, Tanvir Ahmed Rabbi, the front-end developer, and here is Ifti, our Django developer, Hasan Tafsin Rafsan, our web designer, and Ontik as our front-end developer. And here you can see our mentor, Tanmoy Sarkar PS, the lecturer of University of Asia Pacific, Dhaka, Bangladesh. So that is our travel mama. So if you just come to here, footer section, if you have any question or any query about our website or about anything, just here You can hit us with, you can send us an email, or you can send us call via these mobile numbers, or you can directly visit us here. So that's it. That's all from Travel Mama. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.